Number 2. Gout. Gout is a type of arthritis. It causes sudden intense pain, redness, and tenderness in joints. Gout happens when there's too much uric acid in your blood. That can form sharp needle-like crystals in your joints. The most common place for gout to strike is your big toe. Homeopathy works on the principle of treating like with like. So, homeopathic treatment for gout aims at removing this excess uric acid from the body so that these crystals are dissolved and the inflammation and pain in the joints is reduced. These are called trigger foods. These include organ meats like liver and kidney, also meat extracts and seafood like mussels and scallops. Then we come to sugar, beer, and sweetened beverages, processed food, fructose, or high fructose corn syrup, dairy products, especially butter, and also some vegetables like spinach and asparagus. Lose weight if you are overweight. Third, get enough sleep. Fourth, manage your stress levels. Fifth, keep your blood pressure under control. Sixth, do regular exercise, but avoid overexertion. Seventh, be careful while eating out. Choose your food wisely. Eighth, always read the labels of packaged foods. Check the amount of fructose or high fructose corn syrup in it. Ninth, do not self-medicate. Consult an expert homeopath for your gout. In addition, homeopathy also treats the predisposing causes of gout so that the person does not develop gout again. There are some foods that you should eat to control gout. These include cherries, apples, oranges, and other citrus fruits. Non-starchy vegetables like carrots, celery, broccoli, green beans, and peas. Whole grains, nuts, and seeds. Follow his treatment plan sincerely, and you will be up on your feet in no time. No mascar, legumes like beans and lentils, and also lean protein sources like fish and tofu. But it can also affect other toes, your ankles, your knees, your wrists and fingers. Gout can also cause kidney stones and an inflammation of the kidneys. He had typical gouty arthritis. After taking proper case history and doing a physical examination, I diagnosed him with gout. I prescribed him homeopathic medicines along with dietary and lifestyle changes. And you can see the dramatic improvement in his toe after taking homeopathic treatment. Allopaths treat gout by giving you pain medications, anti-inflammatory drugs like ibuprofen or aspirin. They may also prescribe you a medicine called colchicine to reduce inflammation. If you have kidney stones, they will treat that with either increasing your fluid intake to flush out the stone naturally, or they will treat it with shockwaves or percutaneous nephrolithotomy. Homeopathy treats the root cause of the problem, and thus it is best to treat gout. Homeopathy believes that gout is caused due to the deposition of uric acid crystals in the joints, which causes inflammation and pain. Homeopathy has a lot of medicines for gout. The selection of the medicine depends upon the individual and the type of gout he has. Some of the commonly used medicines for gout in homeopathy are: first, colchicum autumnale. This is the most commonly used medicine for gout. Its potency could be from 6 to 30. You take this medicine for the acute pain and inflammation of gout. Second, Lythrum salicartatum. This medicine is used if your gout is recurring or there is some damage to the joints due to gout. Third, Chiliconium. This medicine is indicated if there is severe pain and inflammation in the big toe joint due to gout. Fourth, Arnica montana. This medicine is used for the pain and inflammation in the joints due to gout. Its potency could be from 3 to 6. Fifth, Rhus toxicodendron. This medicine is used if the pain and inflammation in the joints is worse, in the morning or at night. Along with these medicines, you should also know about the diet to avoid gout. A gout flare-up often happens after eating certain foods. To avoid gout, you must avoid all these trigger foods. Now, let us see what precautions you should take to avoid gout. First, avoid overindulging in alcohol. Second, maintain a healthy weight. I have attached a picture of a patient who came to me with severe pain and swelling in his right big toe. So consult an expert homeopath today if you have gout.